We're inside the coach now. We're going to go over different controls that you have. Starting up here, you have your awning control. You have extend and retract. Once it stops, you stop, let go. It's okay to give it a couple pushes if you weren't sure that it's in, but don't hold the button too long. Same thing goes with the glide room here. You're going to go in a little bit, going to go out. It's just going to stop, and you let go. You have ceiling lights, which controls the 3 ceiling lights here. Okay. Floodlight, which is actually your awning light underneath the awning. Porch light, which is a little orange light about directly here on the outside. Step light, which is underneath the entry door to light up your steps. Over here, you're going to lift up on the top, and that slides out the bottom. You push the silver button, brings up a pin. Your pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. And it comes on. You have a light button. Turn that on. That actually turns on the porch light. If you turn it on with the remote, you cannot turn it off with the switch. You can control your slide, your awning, and all your stabilizers with this remote. When you're ready to shut the remote down, push and hold, and it turns off. We're going to go this way. You have books here that are located in the sink here. We're just going to leave them real easy to see, but I want you to turn around and look at where the chairs are right now. They're strapped, and the strap loops around that to hold this from moving anywhere. It goes upside down on the couch here for travel. The other couch is also in the proper place for travel, strapped and back in. That way you know how that goes. Over here you have your range, microwave, and hood vent. Microwave's obviously 110, but it is a microwave. It's pretty self-explanatory. Turn the light on here. These are 12-volt fan and light. We'll go over the range now. Turn that to light. You're going to turn your sparker that will light the burners. That sparker only works for the top 3 burners. If you're going to light the oven, you have to turn that to pilot first. I'm going to down a little bit. You're going to push and hold this switch. It says pilot, push and hold. Push and hold. Under here, you're going to light where the thermocoupler is at with a long stick lighter. I highly recommend flicking the lighter as opposed to holding a flame, because you don't want to suck the oxygen out of that small space. Once it's lit, you're good to go, and then you can start temperature. If somebody turns us to any temperature at all, it won't come out unless it is lit. Over here you'll find your tank monitors and battery. Monitor battery says it's full right now. You have your fresh tank, black tank, gray 1 and gray 2. Gray 1 usually designated to the bathroom, but they can switch them. This could be the kitchen or that could be. It's just in use when you'll figure that out. Water pump to use your onboard water. Water heater switch. This one here's for the gas. This one here's for the electric. Now remember, there's a switch in the other video that is on the tank. That has to be on for this switch to work. If it's not on, you will not have hot water. You will just have a red light here doing nothing. Turn this on here for the refrigerator. What you're going to want to see all the time is an auto light. That way you have electric running to the unit. Right now it's not plugged in, so what it will automatically do is switch to LP. It's going to light on your gas that you have and just go from there. In the event it doesn't light, you'll get a check light. That lights up, you know that it didn't light. Check your propane, make sure there isn't any debris out there in that other video where you can access the back of the refrigerator. The last thing that you can do is there is a slider over on the far rib there and a sticker beside it that says higher for cooler, lower for warmer. That's how you adjust the temperature for the refrigerator. Over here you have your entertainment center. This is a radio. It's a dash radio, treated as such. It's not very complicated. It gives you speaker labeling. Turn them on, turn them off, and that will help you figure out which one's which. It's also directly connected to the TV, so that way if you wanted to watch a DVD, you're going to do that. But it will play through the speakers, so keep in mind if you have outside speakers on, you might want to turn those off if you're watching a movie inside. The remotes for TV and radio are going to be there, and we're going to move over here. The switch on the wall is going to activate your lights in the bathroom. You do want to keep this locked in place like this for any time you're traveling. These are glass, they will slide, they will break. The toilet has a function, we're going to go over that here. You can see right here on the lid it tells you what's going on, but I'm going to explain that little picture to you. You're going to go halfway down on this bowl with your foot, right here on this lever. Halfway down fills the bowl, all the way down is flush. And that's what that means. Otherwise, there's a basket and a couple things here in the bedroom. Right here, Bullets and Keystone Company kind of likes to do this. If you ever need to access your water pump, you're just going to grab the carpet here, pull, and you'll be able to get to your water pump under there. And that's it.